Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna give you my thoughts and how I feel about the Pixel 4a after using it for about 2 weeks. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video is just an update on the Pixel 4a. I just want to give you my experiences and give you my thoughts about the phone. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. So I had some things I really like about the phone and some things maybe I wish they would have did or gave us a little bit more options on. I need to shout out Team Pixel for actually sending this to me. Yes, I'm part of Team Pixel, so I definitely appreciate the opportunity to be a part of Team Pixel. Hashtag gift from Google. So like I normally do on my reviews, I'm gonna get into the things I wished for or some things I didn't like about the phone, so let's get into it. The one thing I wish that they would have did a little bit different is give us more color options, maybe like a white one or even like a seafoam green like the power button is, something with a different color option. Now they probably just gave us the black one. It's easy to keep inventory. They don't have to worry about having inventory on all these different colors. I understand that move, but a different option on color would have been great. The other thing that it's not really a wish for me or a concern, but I know people have brought this up in other videos and I know people really like these two things. So the first thing is some type of water resistant and then also wireless charging. Again, back to the competitor, the SE 2020. Yes, it's $100 more, but you do get wireless charging and also some IP like rating on here. To me, is that a deal breaker? No, it's really not to me. But I have seen people have that type of concern, so I'm gonna bring it up. Yes, if it had wireless charging, also if it has some IP68 rating or 67, it's just another feature. Even if they could have kept it at $349, just more features for that price. They would have nailed it. If they would have added those two things in there, people would have nothing really to complain about on the phone. My other complaint, again, I said it before, is just the overall size of the phone. Yes, it is a small phone. Let me take it out the case. Overall, the phone is small. It really is. Look, I even got some fingerprints on there. So overall, look at my hands. Yes, you can do one hand use, but overall, maybe a different size, maybe, you know, an XL. But again, I know why Google did some of the things they did. It's inventory purposes, probably as far as not having different colors and different sizes. But what y'all think? On that same note though, look at that screen. For $349, you get pretty much all display phone. There's barely any bezel or chin or forehead. There's a little chin, but compared to other Google devices, that is pretty amazing. And then also that screen, the 1080p screen on here is beautiful. Watching YouTube videos, watching Netflix, TikToks, Instagram videos, wherever you want to watch, you get a full display and it's a beautiful 1080p panel. Also, playing games on here looks great. Y'all can check out my gaming review. I will have a link on the top right, but overall the display is great. Next thing I want to talk about that I really enjoy about the phone is the battery life. I didn't think I would get this much battery life on this phone, but I can get through a day, maybe a day and a half, and I get about 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. Sometime maybe 5.5, just depending on how much I use the camera. Pretty much I can get through a whole day, which is just great. I love it. When I don't have to charge my phone for 24 hours, it makes you feel really good. Now, battery life, remember, is very subjective. It is up to the user on how your battery life will be. I know Android Stud said in his video, he was getting about maybe 4 to 5 hours of screen on time, which he's a heavy user. You know, he's in Miami, he's partying down there, he's using his phone a lot. The next thing I want to talk about is the speakers. I did some tweaking to it. I reset my phone, and I know in my 48 hours later video, I said the speakers was not the greatest. This thing is pretty good. The earpiece is actually pretty loud, and it gets really loud when you're watching YouTube videos. Is it the loudest? No, I'm not gonna lie to anybody. It's not the loudest speaker, but for what you get and the price of this phone, the speaker is pretty good. I don't think you would have any complaints about the speaker once you get the phone. The next thing I want to talk about is the Snapdragon 730G processor. I don't have any type of lags or slowdowns on this phone. It runs smooth, everything looks great. It actually plays games really good. Like I said, if you didn't click on that link before, go check out my gaming review. It did really well. Now I say the best thing for last. It's looking right at you. Also on the back, look at that camera cutout there. And then also the one in the back. The cameras on this phone are the best. The cameras alone will sell the phone. If you like taking photos, you are going to love the Pixel 4a. Google can do so much with one camera. One camera in the back and one camera in the front. They can do more than other companies that have 4 or 5 cameras on the back. They can do more than those companies. And with the Pixel 4a, it doesn't change. Like, the cameras are just amazing. If you look on the top right, I did a camera test. Check it out. I also did a comparison. I'll have that link in the description if you want to check out the comparison I did with the Motorola Edge. Y'all can definitely check that out too. I know the video is getting a little long, so let's just wrap it up. My overall experience for the last 2 weeks with this phone has been really good. Again, I don't have any major complaints as far as what I mentioned in the beginning. The size of the phone is like my biggest concern. Yes, I'm used to big phones like my Edge, my Motorola Edge. Also the TCL 10 Pro is a larger phone, my V60. So the size is my biggest concern. So my overall experience with the phone has been good. I think anybody that picks up this phone will enjoy it because just of the Android experience and what this phone can do as far as cameras, battery life, and the overall experience of the phone. In the comments, let me know if you're thinking about picking up this phone. If you have the phone already, let me know your experiences with it. Let's get a discussion going. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Pixel 4a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.